Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first things first, the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi because it is the better option whenever you will have to download something. And then after the internet connection we can enter the settings. Right here we have to, in the general settings of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And here let's scroll down in order to find system update. Let's tap on it. And basically here you will be able to meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one. Whenever your system is up to date, your device will of course show you this information, will show you the version you've got currently applied, the last successful check update, etc. Of course, if you are not really sure, you can tap on check for the updates and your device will again search for anything to download. And the second scenario is when your device will find the update. So of course it will show you the information about the new update, what has been fixed, for example, what bugs have been removed, what has been added, the version of the new update, and you will be simply able to tap on download or install and your device will download and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.